Good morning, students. Welcome to our SSC class. Today we will start with question answers of our chapter, that is our country India. What is the name of chapter? Our country India. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Where are the Himalayas located? Where are the Himalayas located? हिमालयास कहाँ लोकेटेड हैं? आंसर, हिमालयास आर लोकेटेड इन द नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया. हिमालयास आर लोकेटेड इन नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया. दे आर इन नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Which major river flow through the northern plains? Which major river flow through northern plain? Answer, Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Satluj, etc. These are major rivers which flow through northern plains. Next is, what is plateau? What is plateau? Plateau is a high land which has a flat top. Plateau is a high land which has a flat top. Next is, what is desert? Question number 4. Question number 4. What is desert? Answer, a large area of land. Desert is a large area of land covered with sand. Covered with sand is called a desert. It is called a desert. What is next? What is an island? What is an island? Answer, an island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all the sides. What is island? It is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all the sides. Around on every side of it there is water present. Okay, water is present. Then I am translating it in Hindi. Where are Himalayas located? Himalayas कहाँ present हैं? कहाँ पर located हैं? कहाँ पर हैं? Himalayas are located in north of India. इंडिया के north में located हैं. Next is, which major river flow through the northern plain? कौन सी बड़ी rivers जो हैं northern plain से flow करती हैं? These are Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Satluj. These are major rivers that flow through northern plains. Next, what is plateau? Answer, a plateau is a high land which has a flat top. What is plateau? It is a high land. ये एक हाई ऊंची लैंड है, ऊंचा एरिया है जिसकी जो टॉप है वो कैसी है? फ्लैट है. What is desert? Desert क्या है? A large area of land covered with sand. ये एक लार्ज एरिया है अर्थ का जो किससे कवर है? सैंड से कवर है. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ डेजर्ट. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट इज एन आइलैंड? आइलैंड क्या होता है? एन आइलैंड इज अ पीस ऑफ लैंड सराउंडेड बाय वाटर ऑन ऑल द साइड्स. ये एक ज़मीन का एक टुकड़ा है जो सराउंडेड है वाटर से फ्रॉम ऑल द साइड्स, सारी साइड्स से. Okay students, we completed question answers. Now we'll do the next part. Next part is, this is next part. Name the following high mountains in the north of America. High mountains in the north of America. These are Himalayas. Second, two rivers that flow through the northern plains. We have to name two rivers which flow through northern plain. Which are they? Ganga and Yamuna. Next, The Great Indian Desert. Which one is the Great Indian Desert? The Thar Desert is the Great Indian Desert. Next, islands in the Arabian Sea. What are the islands present in the Arabian Sea? Which island is present in Arabian Sea? Lakshadweep Island. This is present in the Arabian Sea. Okay, students, we completed question answers and back exercise of our chapter of SSC. Okay, in next video we will start with the next chapter. Till then, watch the video carefully and learn the chapter. Okay, learn question answers. You have to write all these question answers in the notebook and you have to complete it in your book. Okay, students, this chapter will come in your unit test. And you have subscribe YouTube channel. Okay, you will get the notification whenever the video will come. Okay, students, bye bye.